Many people want to start poultry farming, but they don't know what equipment they really need. Some people waste money buying unnecessary things, while others forget important equipment and end up losing chicks. So in today's video, I will show you the essential equipment you need before starting poultry, especially if you are a beginner. If you are planning to start with broilers, or layers, this video will help you prepare the right way. Welcome to Esther Farm, and I have been away for some time, but now I'm back. In this channel, we talk more of poultry farming, so welcome once again, and we learn together. Now let us discuss the important equipment you need to have, and the first one is a brooder or housing space. In case you decide to start with day-old chicks, you need a good house or a brooder space, because chicks cannot survive in cold temperatures or rain or strong wind. You need a clean, dry, and warm place for them. Your poultry house should have enough ventilation, protect chickens from predators, keep away rain and cold, be easy to clean. So for beginners, you can start small using maybe timber, iron sheets, wire mesh, or even curtains or sacks to control cold air. Remember, if you build a good house, it reduces diseases and also improves growth. Number 2 is feeders. The most important equipment is feeders. When you use feeders, you will reduce feed wastage and keep feed clean. Unlike some farmers, if you throw feed on the ground, chickens will waste a lot of it by scratching and sleeping on it. Start with simple feeders depending on your budget. Number 3, you need to have drinkers. Chickens need clean water daily, so that is why drinkers are very important. You need to have clean water because dirty water can spread diseases quickly in your flock. For chicks, use small drinkers to prevent drowning, and for older birds, you can use bigger plastic or automatic drinkers. Make sure you always clean your drinkers daily. Number 4 is heat source. If you are starting with day-old chicks, you must provide heat. Without enough warmth, chicks crowd together, become weak, and may die. There are several common heat sources, and they include infrared bulbs. We have charcoal jikos, gas brooders, also electricity. So this depends on your choice. You should also watch your chicks carefully, because if they crowd together, they are cold. If they move far from the heat, it is too hot. And if they spread evenly, the temperature is okay. Heat is extremely important during the first weeks. Number 5 is bedding material. In case you are using deep litter system, that is where you need beddings on the floor. You must have beddings because they help to absorb moisture and keeps the house dry. And we have common bedding materials like wood shavings, coffee husks, rice husks. But remember to avoid wet beddings because they can cause diseases and bad smell. So replace when it is necessary. Now, like here in Esther Farm, we use cages, so we don't need bedding materials. Number 6 is lighting. Lighting is another important thing in poultry farming because it helps chicks eat and drink properly, especially during the first days. For layers, proper lighting can also improve egg production, and you can use bulbs, solar lamps, rechargeable lamps. Make sure the poultry house is not too dark. Number 7 is cleaning equipment. Cleanliness is very important in poultry farming, so you should have a broom, disinfectant, gloves, water containers, foot bath at the entrance. When you have good health, it helps prevent diseases and saves your money. Number 8 is storage container. You also need proper storage for feed and medicine. Never leave your feed open because rats may eat it, moisture can spoil it, molds can develop. So use sealed containers or drums to keep feed safe and dry. Now these are optional equipment. As your farm grows, you can add more equipment like egg trays, incubators, automatic drinkers, fans, or vaccination equipment. But when starting, focus on the basics first. So those are some of the basic equipment you need to have. But if you are a beginner, you can try to minimize your cost by using cheap equipment like drinkers and feeders. You can improvise by using jerry cans, or you can make feeders from wood. So start with what you have, start small and upgrade as you grow. This video is a request from one of the viewer to make a video on equipment needed. And as I always tell you that I read all comments and reply, so today I decided to do exactly what I say. I hope I have answered your question, and also someone else out there has also learned, because we are all here to learn. In case you have any other request for a video, you can always comment in the comment section and we make the videos. So continue watching our videos and you will learn a lot. And thank you so much for your support. If you want to succeed in poultry farming, start with the right equipment. You don't need to buy everything at once. You start small, learn slowly, and improve your farm step by step. The most important thing is proper management and consistency. Let me ask one question. Which equipment do you think is the most important in poultry farming? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Esther Farm. See you in the next video. Bye bye.